Hey, if you want to lock apps on your POCO M6 Pro, first of all, you will have to open the settings. Now you will have to navigate and scroll until you locate the privacy, the apps. And from here, select App Lock. Right now, you will have to turn on this privacy. So click to turn on. And now you will have to input at least 4 dots and input this simple pattern. But also we can change password by clicking right here. You can switch between PIN, password, or simple pattern that is set up as default. In my case, I'm going to use this default pattern and I'm gonna draw this simple pattern second time to confirm. Now we have to just click next, and from here we can sign into the Xiaomi account. If we forgot this password, we will be able to reset thanks to the Xiaomi account. If you don't need this, you can click not now. Wait for the 4 seconds and click not now one more time. Next, you've got automatic selected apps that the phone actually recommends you to lock. But in my case, I'm going to unselect them and I will click to use app lock. Now we can also turn on the fingerprint unlock if we want. And as you can see from here, we can find list of all available apps that we can find on the POCO M6 Pro that we can actually lock by using one switcher. So if I want to lock my gallery and messages, I can click on this switchers, and now when I click on the right upper corner, I can also decide when I want to lock these apps. So when the device is locked, that's the setup as default. But I can recommend you to switch when the device is locked or after exiting app, or when the device is locked or 1 minute after exiting app. Let's say that I want to get this one. From here we can also enable the face unlock to unlock these apps. You can show or hide pattern, and from here we can change this password. So now when I open the gallery, okay, maybe I'm going to find messages because for some reason I cannot find the gallery. As you can see, I have to input my protection password or use my fingerprint sensor. So that's how you can set passwords on any app on the POCO M6 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.